taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Hola, amiga, amigo. Hola, butarde. Okay guys, how are you everyone? Good morning, magandang umaga po. Saan man kayong sulok ng mundo. Okay people, today I'm gonna make it a bread pizza. So it's simple but yummy and delicious. Okay, meron akong baguettes. Ayan, hatiin ko siya. I just make by into two. Okay guys, and then I have a tomato, pepperoni, and cheese. And then I have 4 pieces of sausage pork. So lahat is pork. And then meron tayong tomato and basil sauce. So ayan, it's really easy and simple. Let's begin people, and I'm gonna put in the oven after that. Okay, napaka-simple lang po ang recipe ko ngayon, but it's yummy and delicious, good for you guys, good for me, good for everyone. So, samahan nyo ako. Let's go and begin. Okay guys. Ayan. Hatiin lang natin siya. Yeah. Hinati ko lang siya. This is a bigger. You can do half or you can do like this. It's more better. You know, you can half this. Okay guys. Okay. Begin na tayo. Lagyan natin siya ng sauce. This is the sauce. Gonna be yummy. Sarap kapag marami ang sauce. Okay guys. After that, I need to put in here. And that, okay? And then, lalagyan na natin siya ng cheese on top. I love this guys. Kainin mo yung isa is already gonna be full because it's quite massive. Malaki siya kaya yan. So you can do it in your home. This recipe is good for your family, good for your kids. It's fun. Okay guys. Pepperoni. Lagyan natin siya ng pepperoni. Amazing. I love pepperoni. I love very much. And sausage. Okay, sausage. Takat ko lang siya. You guys, sausage. I-alternate lang nito. Just alternate, guys. Amazing. Ayan. Okay, guys. And there's tomato. Tomato cherry. I cut it like this, like two. Really easy and simple. Amazing. Guys, it's perfect. Okay, so this. Amazing. Okay guys, lagyan natin siya sa oven. Mahulog. Okay. Amazing, yummy. Oh! Nahulog. Okay guys, lagyan natin sa oven. Okay guys, look at this. It's all done. So guys, the pizza is amazing. It's really hot. Fantastic, isn't it? People. Wow, amazing. And the side is salad. It's a lettuce collection, cucumber and tomato. Gourmet, yummy, delicious. Pizza bread, tomato, cheese, pepperoni, sausage pork, tomato sauce and bread, and the side is salad, lettuce, cucumber and cherry tomatoes. Look, yummy. Look at that, people. Love it. Okay guys, hopefully you like my recipe today. Pizza bread. Okay, and with salad. Sana po nagustuhan nyo ang aking recipe at napakasarap. Good for everyone, especially for kids. And pinya kami. Mwah! Love you all guys. Thank you for watching. Okay. Come on. Oh my God. Si pinya kami. Mami cookie. Sudah. Biar apa? Si pinya kami. Mwah! Love you. In the kitchen we are fire. Love you. Mwah.
Wait, I want to give you a present.
Okay. So they're gonna give me the person. Okay. Bye now. Bye.
Oh, one pen.
Bye Tulada.
Bye, Dada.
Okay guys.
What's a pen?
Okay guys. Thank you for you watching. Salamat. Sana nagustuhan niyo po. At please subscribe and like. See you on next video. Para updated kayo, please subscribe. I love you guys. Love you. Have a nice weekend. Sa lahat, ingat. Stay safe. Bye. Look at this. I'm trying to. Oh. I love it. Nice. Yummy.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from